have dried fish. This is our stockfish.
Stockfish?
Yeah. And we have our spinach here.
Oh, spinach, okay.
And our goat meat.
Okay.
And we have a mackerel over here, fresh mackerel.
Okay.
And I have here another bell pepper.
Okay.
And then we have our pounded yam here. I mean, our pounded yam flour for that pounded yam. Yeah, so we're going to start by steaming our meat. So I don't do much. I only use ginger, garlic, and onion. This thing is hard. I forgot to add the ginger and garlic paste when I was mentioning my ingredients, as I said. So this is it. I'm just going to put a spoon of it into my meat for my seasoning. I'm just going to chop my onions and put it in my meat to season. We say, I love cooking with my hands, Isaac. I'm just going to add my salt to it. So we put in our meat and fish spices from Lamoire. I wish you guys could smell this, honestly speaking. To add my complete seasoning to it. So we're gonna leave our meat to cook. I'm gonna blend the bell pepper and the scotch bonnet. So I'm just gonna put everything in here, in here, and here. I'm just gonna pour my blended peppers into a bowl.
Okay.
In case you're wondering what fish I'm using, it's just mackerel.
Mackerel fish, okay.
Sauce here. I'm just gonna add a little bit to my fish whilst it's seasoning.
Okay.
Leave it to cook for like 10 minutes. That's about it.
All right.
Next, we're gonna prep our egusi.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to it, and then I'm gonna leave it sitting for a while. So I'm just gonna put my chopped onions and the palm oil. Onions is sizzling, so we're gonna add powdered shrimp. Next, I'm gonna add our locust bean. Add our blended peppers to our oil. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it in. Okay. I'm gonna add my stockfish to our where we have
the palm oil and then the blended ingredients.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. All right.
I'm just gonna add my complete seasoning from Lamoire and a little bit of salt.
All right.
At this point, you wanna add your dry fish. I'm gonna add it to our stockfish. I know you're probably wondering, there's a lot of meat going into it. Me too. I'm gonna cover it up for about 10 to 15 minutes whilst we do our pounded yam. I'm gonna put my pounded yam into the water.
Okay. You try to do this in order to get the mud out of it.
You can see our egusi is almost done now. So I'm gonna add our fish to it. The fish that we steamed first. Okay. We're just gonna add it to it.
All right.
So I'm just gonna add our spinach now, and we're almost done.
And we're almost done.
Yes.
Oh, ohima, and the abishi soup.
Our last step, I normally just top it off with a little bit more crayfish to give it a nice aroma. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to it.
Okay. And so that is our lady Gigi, right?
Yes, Gigi.
Gigi, and so Gigi is from Congo. Your background is from Congo.
Yes.
Have you ever tried agushi soup before?
I've tried it once, and I liked it. I mean, Nigerians have the best foods ever, so I know for a fact that I'm going to love this as well.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
One more.
One more?